Good morning, everyone. Another day, another vlog. Look at that, guys. You see what I see? Look at that. It's growing. It's growing. It's growing. Finally, guys. Finally. Magkakadahon na. Guys, hiningal ako, guys. They keep running and running and running. Since this morning, 8 o'clock. Wow. And now it's 10:30. It's my doctor appointment. I had to visit the hospital for my doctor appointment, guys. Result for my pagod ako. Grabe. Para akong nag-exercise na rin, guys. Tapos ko lang nag-shower. Basa pa konti ang buhok ko. I just finished my shower. Wow. Grabe talaga. Run there, run here, run there, run here. Grabe. Ang tuhod ko. Look at that car. It's a pink. Ang cute, oh. Mitsubishi. Ang cute. Ang cute siya. Pink na pink. Grabe, kakaibang kulay. Okay. We try to pass by the church if it's open before I'm going to hospital over there. Let's go. This is the church, guys. Yan tayo visit pa. Open. Kung sarado. Sorry. Opo, ayun ang grass growing. Green na siya. Sarado, guys, sarado. Kalak. Continue na lang going to the hospital. Keep walking. Beautiful weather.